Step into the future of drones, a breathtaking world of AI-powered UAVs. These remarkable aerial wonders, equipped with artificial intelligence, are poised to revolutionize how we perceive and interact with the world. But amidst the excitement, we must ask, are they a blessing or a potential disaster for humanity? Let's explore the answers in this captivating video. So, what exactly are AI drones? They are not your typical unmanned aerial vehicles. They are armed with cutting-edge AI technology, enabling them to perform tasks that surpass human imagination. Imagine AI drones gracefully navigating through intricate terrain, autonomously gliding through obstacles, and fearlessly peering through darkness, smoke, and dust, unveiling hidden secrets from above. The possibilities are truly remarkable, making AI drones a game-changer for the future. AI drones play a crucial role in surveillance, providing a bird's-eye view to monitor vast lands and oceans, combat illegal activities, track wildlife, and support disaster relief efforts. They stand as vigilant sentinels in the sky. Their prowess in reconnaissance is awe-inspiring, gathering intelligence like never before, spotting enemy positions, assessing disaster damage, and empowering critical decision-making in challenging situations. AI drones are poised to revolutionize the delivery industry too, bringing hope to remote locations with lightning speed, supplying medical aid, food, and essentials to places once deemed unreachable. In search and rescue missions, they become the beacon of hope, locating missing persons, assisting in disaster zones, and minimizing risks through the power of AI. Their capabilities extend to inspection and quality control, ensuring safety from the skies. With a watchful eye on bridges, pipelines, and power lines, they identify potential issues before they escalate. In agriculture monitoring, AI drones take center stage, monitoring crops, identifying pests and diseases, and efficiently applying pesticides and fertilizers. This helps farmers boost crop yields while reducing harmful chemical usage. But the adventure doesn't stop here. The future of AI drones stretches beyond the horizon, brimming with infinite possibilities. As we soar into this exciting future, AI drones will undoubtedly rewrite the rules. As we venture into the incredible world of AI-powered drones, we must acknowledge their immense potential for both good and harm. These unmanned aerial wonders, equipped with advanced artificial intelligence, promise to revolutionize how we interact with the world. However, with great power comes great responsibility. Imagine a scenario where a group of ethical scientists are using AI to search for a potential cure for a disease. Inadvertently, a small modification in the AI's code unintentionally leads it down a destructive path, generating new ways to create the disease instead of finding a cure. This serves as a stark reminder of the double-edged sword that AI drones can become if not handled with care. Another serious concern is the possibility of AI-powered drones turning into killer robots. Without proper regulations and safeguards, these drones could operate without human intervention, potentially leading to autonomous weapons that can cause harm without any human oversight. The risk of algorithmic bias is another troubling aspect. If AI algorithms are not appropriately designed or calibrated, the drones might develop biases that lead to harmful or discriminatory decisions. This could result in innocent civilians being targeted due to the AI's skewed judgment. Furthermore, the concept of cascade failure poses a significant threat. Even a minor error in the AI's calculations could set off a chain reaction of mistakes, leading the drone to make harmful or dangerous decisions, causing unintended casualties and damage. While AI drones have been deployed for beneficial purposes like surveillance, reconnaissance, delivery, search and rescue, and agriculture monitoring, we must remain vigilant and address the concerns around their potential misuse. The development of killer robots raises ethical and moral questions, as machines exercising lethal power without human intervention goes against our values as a society. It is crucial that we take proactive measures to prevent such scenarios from becoming a reality. As we embrace the future of AI drones, let us also commit ourselves to ensuring responsible and ethical use. By implementing strict regulations, adhering to codes of conduct, and continuously refining AI algorithms, we can harness the incredible potential of these aerial wonders while safeguarding humanity from the dark shadows they might cast. Together, we can shape a future where AI drones remain a force for good, enriching our lives and protecting our society from harm.